you want a strategy for increasing your Facebook return on ad spend and for increasing your organic following? Shh, come with me.
I'm going to show you a little trick to boost your Facebook ROAS that you can literally start today. You can even use it to boost the effectiveness of ads that you've ran in the past. I'm not going to show you how to structure your Facebook ad account. I'm not going to show you how to make special UGC content that reduces your CPAs by 37%. Nope. I'm going to show you a simple trick, hack, strategy, whatever you want to call it, that gives you a small dose of retargeting for free on the most engaged users on your ads. What do you need? There are 3 requirements. Number 1, a Facebook ad account that is or has been running ads. Number 2, your ads need to be serving from a Facebook page with less than 100,000 followers. And number 3, a pinned post on your Facebook page that you know converts. If you haven't figured out what I'm talking about just yet, Facebook lets you invite people who've engaged with your ads up until the point that you have 100,000 page followers. So True Earth, 79,911. I can still invite people who've liked, hearted, hugged, hated my content to our Facebook page. Where this gets interesting is when you're advertising, people who like your posts are liking, hearting, leaving reactions to your ads. So these people generally either enjoyed your ad, enjoyed your product, or like the idea of it, and they're a great candidate to retarget. Now, you can pay money to retarget these people, or you can invite them to like the page. Now, the reason I said number 3, which is make sure that you have a pinned post that converts, is that when you invite them to the page, you want to make sure that there is a Facebook post there that you know converts, so that when they get to the page, there's immediately an opportunity to try to convert them to a customer. So on True Earth's page here, we have this True Earth wrap, which is super popular video. And when we invite people here, this is the first thing they see. They probably liked the page earlier in the day. This gives them an opportunity or a reminder to check the product out again. So how do you invite these people to the page? So you go to your ads manager, find the ad that has the engagement on it, go to preview, and then add preview and see post, Facebook post with comments. You can only invite people who've engaged on Facebook, not on Instagram. On the post, go down to the spot where it shows the likes and the hearts and scroll down and find somebody who has not been invited to the page. So I've got a few people here. We can invite them. That's going to send them a notification that True Earth has invited them to like the page. In the event that they do like the page after accepting the invite, they're going to see future content that we put out, in which case it's obviously best to create content for your brand on Facebook that the algorithm favors and keeps people on platform. So there's going to be plenty of future opportunity to get them organically. But what we really want to do here is nail the extra ROAS. So we're going to get the extra ROAS by inviting them to the page and making sure that we have a proven ad as our pin post. So it's the first thing they see. There's an opportunity to click through. There's links, making it super easy for people who saw your ads to make a purchase. Now, I would highly recommend doing this every day because people obviously have a recency bias. If they saw your ad earlier in the day, it's more top of mind to them. If you wait 3 weeks or a month, the effectiveness of this is going to go down dramatically. I tend to like to do it manually at night when I'm sitting around. There are programmatic ways available, plugins and stuff like that for Chrome, but they're definitely against Facebook's terms of service. So if you're going to go down that route, make sure you use it at your own risk. Manually inviting them one by one is 100% okay with Facebook. And the same option is available on your phone. So if you don't want to have your desktop out at night, feel free to whip out your phone, scroll down, do the same thing. It's probably actually easier to click on your phone than it is on the desktop. Anyways, that is one simple little hack that you can do to increase your Facebook ROAS without spending an extra dime on ads. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button below. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments as well. Hope you love this video.